Hi there. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can create a website real quick, like into 5 to 10 minutes. If you already have content and design in your mind, then this tool won't take much time to create a website for you. This is a complete drag and drop editor. You don't need to know about HTML, CSS, JavaScript for that matter. Neither you need to know WordPress. So if you know how to place the elements properly, then this website builder is for you, and you can create any type of website with this website builder. You can create your blog, you can create business website, and also you can create online stores as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. Right, so the tool I am talking about is Site123. There's link in the description. This is what the dashboard would look like. I already have some websites. Let's not go into it. I'll quickly tell you how you can create a business website real fast. So once you are into dashboard, click on this plus button, click on create a website. Then there's two options: create a new website for your clients, or you can create it for yourself. I'll click on create myself. Then it will load. It will take me to choose what kind of website I want. So I want business website, online store, blog. I'll choose I want business website. It will ask me for the name, so I will give it a name, demo website. There's if you already have a group, then it will ask you to select in which group you want this site to be placed in the dashboard. So don't bother about it and click on open the site. So you will be seeing some tutorials. You can watch it or skip it. So this is the basic template that Site123 provides you at the beginning. Let's publish it and see how this is looking. So you can see here it is the default domain. This is the default domain. If you are using on a if you are using this tool on a free plan, then you will be having this default domain, or you can also choose your custom domain from here. Then you have to pay for that domain, obviously. So this is what the website would look like. This is a simple business website. Here's the logo. It's a navigation menus. This is the header section. This is about, services, contact, and the footer section. All right, let's quickly edit this website. So to edit, you have to click on continue editing. I can change the name. All right, suppose I want to change the background color or background image. I will click on the background and I'll choose, let's see what we have. So we do have this. All right, I'll go with this one. So suppose I want to add a new section, I'll click here. Suppose I want to add a gallery or a portfolio section, I'll click here and I'll add this section. So it will be added over there. You can see portfolio is added. Then there's the about section. Suppose I want to change the look and feel of about section, I will click on layout, and suppose I want this layout, I'll click here. So it will be updated. There you go. Suppose I don't want services section, I want something else, I can delete this section. So the section is deleted. I can click on plus sign again and I will add a FAQ section or feature section. So let's say this feature section looks good, so I will add that. All right, so contact form is there. Suppose I want to change the layout of this map and contact form, so I'll click on layouts. I actually don't want the map, I only want this contact form. So here you go. So all your website is ready. All you have to just do it, add in your content, which I believe you already have with you or in your mind. So you can put this data. Alright, let's publish the website by clicking on the publish button. So here you go. This is how your website right now. So you can have portfolio. So here it is. You can also view the portfolio by clicking on the view button. So this is the portfolio section. Then you can go to about section. So here it is, about section. And if you go to features, it will be on feature section, and it can take you to the contact form as well. So here you go. So this is a working contact form. I will test it with a simple test email. So let's go to temp email and let's see if this contact form is working. I'll quickly copy this email. Let's see. Alright, this message will be over there, and I will receive this email to my email address, the email address that I used to create account on site 123. And yeah, then you can start the communication. So this is how you create a business website real quick on site 123. There's the link in the description. You can go and start your site 123 account right away. If you have any queries about site 123, you can drop in the comments. I'll more than happy to help you. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. I keep on posting more videos like this about product marketing and growth. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.